guys, Arlyssa here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make orange chicken from scratch. This recipe is so easy and so delicious, and dare I say, it's better than Panda Express. So you know you have to try this out. Hey, if you don't believe me, come at me in the comments, but I guarantee this is about to be so delicious. You won't need to spend $6 at Panda. You can just make this yourself. This is all the ingredients that you're going to need today. All right, so let's get started. Chicken thighs. We're using that just because it has more flavor. I have the chicken thighs with the bone in, so I have to take that off. You can make less work for yourself by buying boneless chicken thighs at the grocery store, but I don't have the patience to read, and I picked up the wrong packet, as I often do. So I just took the skin off and took the bones out, but I'm actually glad that I have the bones because I can use that for chicken stock. In case you guys didn't know, bones in chicken is what makes the chicken stock so flavorful. I'm gonna just tell y'all now because there was a time when I tried to make chicken stock with just chicken breasts.
Hey yo, what the f?
It had no flavor whatsoever. I thought that maybe I didn't add enough salt. No, there was literally no bones in there. So that's how you know this meat is going to be extra flavorful, because it had the bone next to it, and that just goes for all types of meat too. If it has the bone in it, it's bound to be more flavorful. Okay, so after you did that, now we're going to dice these into 1-inch thick cuts. So right now I'm just waiting for my oil to get up to temperature so then I can fry the chicken. A good way to check if the oil is ready is if you get a wooden stick like so and just stick it in there. And if you see that it's bubbling around the stick, like aggressively, then that's how you know it's done. Also, another good way to check would be a thermometer, but if you don't have one like me, this is a nice hack that you can use to see if it's ready. So this is not ready, so we're gonna give it a few more minutes. Check number 2, that's what we're looking for, so we're ready. Okay, so we are just grabbing this fresh out of the fridge, so it's going to be very cold, and with that, it's going to cool down our oil. So we don't want to turn the oil down at all because it's already going to get super cool from the contents that we're putting in it. Keep an eye on it and make sure it doesn't splatter everywhere. Now this is like my makeshift chopsticks because I don't have any chopsticks. I accidentally broke them. So I'm just going to use this. Hopefully they don't break on me. And we're gonna begin frying. The reason I'm using chopstick is because it's easier to grab and I don't have to worry about it splattering everywhere. Whoops, we all make mistakes, it's fine. It's gonna get cooked anyway, so it's okay, who cares? Just make sure they're not sticking together. Okay, you guys, so that's it. I just finished, and this is how it looks. Now, I can't try it. I'm doing a fast right now, so I'm gonna go grab my sister and have her try it for you guys so she can tell you how it tastes. Lana! This is my sister. If you remember her from the last video where we did the spicy ramen challenge, if you haven't seen that, go watch it because we almost died. She's gonna be my test subject.
What am I looking at here?
It's orange chicken. You didn't know?
We gotta explain it.
Okay, well, give me a second. We have some orange chicken here on the plate with some rice, so go ahead and try it.
Is the sauce, did you make the sauce?
Yeah, of course. You have to let it sink in. It's good? You got strong orange? Okay.
Yeah. The chicken's good. Nice and crispy.
Alright then.
Yep.
Y'all heard it here first. Now she's gonna go finish that, I'm sure. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please make sure to like it and subscribe. Next week, me and her are actually gonna... Why are you looking confused? You said you were gonna do it with me.
Oh yeah.
Me and her are gonna go vegan for a week, so be sure to... Yeah, who knows? But check in next week to see how that goes.
Yay.
Yay! Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye! You didn't say bye.
Oh, bye.
When you can't eat it, so you just watch people enjoy it.